Hey, welcome back. Today we will learn about user inputs. So far, when we've written programs, we've directly given values to variables in the code. For example, every time you run this code, the value of name will always be Jojo. But in real world programming, you would want your program to run on different values each time. These values will be given to the program by users as inputs. To take some input from a user in Python, we use the function input. Okay, when this program runs, it pauses when it encounters the input function and waits for you to enter a value. Let's say Jojo. Now this will be read by the input function and the value Jojo is stored inside the variable name. Every time we run the code, the output will depend on what the user enters as the value for name. Now let's say I read a number as input. Now this input will be a string because input always reads inputs as a string. Which means if you need to work with numbers, you'll have to convert the string input to an integer input. Now when I input a number, it will be stored as an integer because we've converted input to int. That's it with this video. Happy coding!